If you do a bunch of tube notching, the 2x72 is the way to go if you just do all your notching there. But if you just need to clean up some tubes, say you notch some other way, like this is a laser cut tube, but you still need to adjust it because something's not fitting quite right, the 2x48 is a great way to just do some work up top on the small wheel. I'll pick a wheel from the set of small wheels that matches my notch size, whatever tube I'm notching to. I'll swap out this upper wheel. Say I just need to take off a little bit extra on the inside here because I've got a gap. It's hard to do heavy work up on top without a work rest just because you don't have the work rest for support, but if you're fine with freehanding and have a good feel for stabilizing, then you can definitely adjust your notches up on the small wheel of the 2x48. When you are trying to brace and do something where you're trying to be stable and precise, any movement in the machine is really annoying and throws you off. Have a stable foundation. The leveling casters let you take out any wobble, any uneven concrete in your shop, and then also just having a rigid stand and a rigid frame that's not going to flex and move around every time you push on it. Yeah, so now even if you had some other way of creating the notch but it wasn't quite right, you have a way of adjusting it without having to sculpt it with an angle grinder. You got the correct profile right off the machine for good fitment.